FlyEnv now includes a native Nacos module. It keeps local service discovery and configuration in the same desktop stack. Open the Nacos module from the Cloud Native group. The version tab lists the Nacos releases FlyEnv can install. Download and install a release with one click. Installed builds stay available side by side. Choose the version you want to run on this machine. Then start Nacos as a native local service. The Configuration tab keeps the local settings within reach. And the Log tab shows the startup output as the service runs. Open the Nacos console directly in your browser. Sign in to the local Nacos server. The console gives you a clear view of the active namespace. Browse Service Management and the services registered with your environment. Use Configuration Management to inspect application settings. Everything is connected to the same local Nacos instance. Return to FlyEnv without losing the service state. That is local Nacos with FlyEnv. Native, ready, and no Docker required.